Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
A former Nigerian militant leader who used to direct attacks on oil facilities in the Niger Delta withdrew an ultimatum after the government committed to appointing a board for a regional development agency. Job opportunities are swelling in several regions across the UK as a combination of the coronavirus pandemic and the impact of Brexit creates sectoral staff shortages. As India's forex reserves cross the 600 billion mark, there are indications that the ample liquidity both globally and in the domestic space will continue to drive the Indian stock markets.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product at 23:50 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23:01 GMT, Finland's trade balance at 600 GMT, Germany's factory orders at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.